viewers, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I hope you are happy and well. So in today's video viewers, I will see beautiful fabric wall hanging decoration ideas. So I hope you will see some of my videos. So let's start today videos. So friends, first idea is frames. Fabric wall hanging are one of the most beautiful to decoration wall. They're soft, colorful, and full of style. Instead of plain wall, you can use fabric designs to make your space look warm and beautiful. Fabric wall hanging come in many styles. Some are simple with a clean design, some are colorful with patchwork pattern, some are elegant with embroidery work, some are modern with fabric art. Each designs give a different feeling. Fabric decoration add a softness to your home. Let's make the room feel cozy and welcome. That is why many people love fabric decoration. Types of fabric wall hanging. You can use many techniques to create a wall doors. Some popular ideas are patchwork wall hanging. This use small fabric pieces joined together. They look colorful and creative. Embroidery wall hanging. These have beautiful designs. They look elegant and different fabric. Simple printed cloth can be framed and used as wall decoration and frames. This use texture and soft colors. They look modern and stylish, minimal fabric panel. Simple design with natural colors, perfect for modern home. Each type has its own beauty. And weavers. And frames. Each type has its own beauty. Fabric wall decoration for home style. You can place them in different areas of your home. For example, living room wall, bedrooms wall, hallway, entry area. A fabric wall hanging can become the main focus of a room. It adds color and texture, empty space. Large fabric can cover big walls. Beautifully small pieces can be used in groups for a creative look. So viewers, Allah Hafiz.